I'm trying to connect a Nest Thermostat to a Taco SR504 controller. Current main thermostat that I am replacing only had 2 wires. I ran a new bundle so I would have a C wire. Where do I connect?
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
Specific to thermostat. All existing 3 zones and heating systems work.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Don't think so.
Hi, I am Dan. I can help you with this. You will need to connect the RC and C terminal from the thermostat to the 24 volts and C terminal on the zone board and wire the RH and W terminals to the R and W terminal for the zone.
I only have 3 wires coming row the thermostat. This looks like I need 4, or is there a way to jumper?
You can connect the C wire to COM and R and W to the R and W of the zone. IT should work, but the proper way is to use the 4 wires.
That's how I have it wired, but I am not getting any display at the thermostat. Could the battery need to be changed?
Connect R and C to the 24 volts and COM on the board, leave W disconnected and see if the thermostat power up.
I now have power to thermostat.
Then you will need to wire IT with the 4 wires as described earlier.
Okay. Thanks.
If you have any more questions about this, please let me know, or if this has helped you, I would appreciate IT if you could rate me on my service by selecting one of the 5 stars on your page so we may close this question.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.